Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. Today we're going to be reviewing the Beauty Creations Duet Eyeshadow Palette, and this is in Grungy Gray. So the look itself is actually going to be very easy because I will be using a burgundy eyeliner. That will be a whole nother separate video. I'm going to be using the new Madeline burgundy eyeliner. But yeah, so the eyeshadow look, I want to keep it very simple. So first I'm going to be starting off with the transition shade. Now these shades do look a lot warmer than what they actually appear on the skin, which is perfectly fine. The palette is called Grungy Gray, so expect these shades to be cool tone. However, just on me, maybe it's because I am so warm tone, these cool tones definitely stood out. So I'll be using shade number 5 and applying that into my crease, and then I'll be taking shade number 2 and adding that just a tiny bit into my crease while my eye is open. Really just trying to define my little bitty socket that I do have. Now, I'm not looking for any perfection by any means. I am just trying to get these shades on and diffuse them. Again, I'm going to be using a transition shade, and then I'm going to be going in with a slightly deeper shade just to define that crease and to make the transition shade pop out a little bit more. Without applying any more product onto my brush, I'm going to be diffusing all of these eyeshadows so that I can make sure that it's nicely blended. Now, I'm going to be applying the shade number 1, and this is the lightest shade, and I'm going to be applying this all over my lid. I am not looking for perfection. This is not going to be a half cut crease, not a cut crease at all. I am trying to lighten my lid, and yeah. So when you close your eyes, this won't be super defined. If you want that really defined look, you can go ahead and cut your crease and then apply the eyeshadow. But I'm mainly just looking for a wash of color, a wash of lightness all over the lid. Now I'm going to be taking a darker shade. This is going to be shade number 4 and 7 mixed together. More so 7 and then a little dab of 4, which is the black in this shade. And in this, what is this? It has 8 shades, so what is that? Whatever. In this palette, the 2 darkest shades, I'm going to be applying that, and I'm going to be doing a smoky wing. Also, in this step, you can use some tape to make the wing a lot crispier. For me, I was going over top with a burgundy eyeliner to begin with, so I didn't need that really crispiness. I just wanted to have some sort of base that I could trace when I go in with my liquid liner. You could honestly stop the look right here. Don't even add liquid liner. You can add just like a top liner to really mesh in your falsies with your eyes, but for the most part, you could just stop right here and call it a day. Next, I'm going to be taking the lightest shimmery shade in this palette, and this is shade number 3. I'm going to be applying that just a little bit on my lid. I do wish that there was a lighter shade in this eyeshadow palette for like my inner corner and all that good stuff, but I digress. For my lower lash line, I will be mixing shades 5 and 6. So first I'll be going in with 5, and then I'll be going in with 6 very after. And I'm applying this to my outer corner lash line. I am not dragging this all the way from the outer corner all the way to the inner corner, just more so halfway. And then I'm also going to be blending this up into my wing. as well to connect them as best as possible. It doesn't have to be perfect. Like I said, I'm going to be going in with eyeliner to begin with, and then I'm going to be going in with this Essence Gel eyeliner pencil, and this is in a dark brown shade. This is a more cool tone brown versus a warm tone brown. After eyeshadow, we go on to eyeliner, and I'm using the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Burgundy eyeliner, and now I'm going to be applying my lashes. I find that it's always easier to apply the mascara before you apply your falsies, because when I apply my falsies and then try to go in with mascara, I feel like I could definitely see where all the powder has fell on top of my lashes, and it just doesn't blend very well from lashes to falsies. So if you can, I would highly suggest you apply your mascara before you apply your lashes. And then the lashes I will be using are from my own brand. So if you want this style, you're just gonna have to wait just a tiny bit longer. I'm almost done, you guys. I pinky promise I'm almost done. Hopefully we can get this out before Christmas, or if not, it'll be a New Year's type of thing, but definitely within the next 60 days for sure. Yeah, so now I'm just applying my eyelashes. Absolutely love these. They're very short but voluminous, and I just think they're so tea. Absolutely gorgeous. I really wanted some lashes that weren't going to be super long, so that my winged eyeliner could be the star of the show. And I found that I just love short lashes on me. I don't really like long lashes on me. I don't know what it is. No, I do know what it is. I just like the way short lashes look. However, I love me a good short but very full lash. So that is what I'm striving for, short but very full lashes, because a lot of short lashes are very natural looking, and I love that too. Don't get me wrong, I love that. But sometimes I do want a very dramatic short lash, and I feel like if you are going to get a dramatic false lash, a lot of the times they're going to be long. So I want to be the queen of short but thick lashes. So there is not much else to this makeup look. It was very simple. This is my simple easy look. The next look I will do is probably more of a dramatic smoky eye. But yeah, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. First of all, let me give you my thoughts. I really enjoyed this palette. I think these are so cute. They're retail for $10. $10, you guys, for 8 shades. It comes with 6 mattes and 2 shimmers, and it was amazing. I do wish that there was a lighter shade in this, like a vanilla light shade. However, they had a lot of deeper shades, so you can't get everything that you ask for sometimes, you know. So I'm really happy that they included more deeper shades into this eyeshadow palette, because a lot of the times we don't have the variety of a deep shade, and when we do, it's just a popped in black eyeshadow. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.